Namar ka jingjor ka jingpang khlam Sniang ya kabla tip kum ka swine fever ka Assam Piggery Farmer Association kala jurep konsan hakawai ka kudam rimrat bamdo kapadan hagibenta ka khat saumer bat kabadang hap apo kalyang Assam. Ketika jing jurep kala long haka step perngap jong ka lai terek ujeliu araja arpusan kabakila up ketam hadin balayo jing tip ya ka jingdon ka kali kit Sniang gabawan na ka jala Uttar Pradesh kapadan yo registration number UP70FT arsan khandai nyo da ka jing tmu ban sala nikinik Sniang bamdo sya ka jala Meghalaya. Ubharat handik unong ai kiten ka association ula yathu bakajing Khang ban Pynhap ikite ki Sniang bamdo hakate ka sam Sniang hakhat saumer bat ban omsha panya yo yakite ki Sniang bamdo apo ka jala Assam ka Dainamar ka jingjor ka jingpang khlam ule thu bakini ki Sniang bamdo balawan ra lingba kate ka trok na Uttar Pradesh ki deiru ki bla thmu ban salan sapo ka jala Meghalaya. Ule thuru bamenta ke Sarkar Assam kala penjari hukum Khang do Sniang haborok wai ke jela Assam kham tam hagi benta ke Barpeta district namar ke district bat kiwei pat ki district bamarjan lalap baki Sniang ki yo ya ke jingpang khlam ke jingkeli menta pat ke long hatu nakalia ke Sarkar jela Meghalaya lingba ketenat veterinary kala don em kanu ke jingpen kre ban yada na ke jingyo wan Rung ki Sniang na sabar jela ki ba omla pentikena ya ke kot ka khia jongki.
As there is an SOP from Government of Assam and Honorable High Court, they have ordered that no pigs can be land in the land of Assam. So, as we have got the information that these traders are dropping the pigs illegally from outside Assam. So, this is a very bad practice going on this Boronihat area. So we think we have to show to the government and show to the people that there is a very illegal things is happening, and due to this illegal transportation and illegal pigs coming from outside Assam, there is an spread of disease is increasing day by day. We can see the disease is impacting in different areas of Assam, like nearly in Barpeta district and in Raimona National Park. You can see there is a newly detected ASF. So this is how this is happening. Actually, this is happening due to the illegal transportation of pigs from outside Assam, and they are when they are transporting the pigs to Assam and neighboring states, the tools they used to throw in the roadsides, and due to this, the pigs got engaged by African swine fever. So farmers are getting a huge loss due to this disease, and our local farmers are also not getting a good price because of outsiders. Outsiders are sending pigs to Assam and Northeast. So this is the thing that we are trying to help the local piggery farmers. So we are showing that we are trying to show the government of Assam and government of Meghalaya, northeastern states, and all the local peoples and indigenous peoples of Northeast and Assam. Yes, if these pigs used to go to Meghalaya without any test, then we think Meghalaya will also affected by this African swine fever and other diseases. There are many diseases, or not only African swine fever. You can say PRRS, classical swine fever. They didn't have any identification marks also in their body, so we cannot detect that if they are vaccinated or not, if they are dewormed or not. Actually, all the pigs which is transported from a state to another state have to take all these measures so that this disease cannot be transmitted to other states. So I think this type of pigs, if this type of pigs goes to Meghalaya and other states, then they will be affected from African swine fever.
Habatin, pej bahaki kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ai khan diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing ma lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing man toy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam don ka sharp plus f manta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shapi, the office, Johor Commissionariat of Food Safety, Shillong, Meghalaya.